everybody, welcome back to Pookie Bear's Corner. Today we are going to be making thumbprint cookies. My family has never had them. I've never made them for them. So we'll see if they like them. I don't know if they will or not. We need 12 tablespoons of salted butter, softened salted butter, my family told me that they are up for trying any new kind of treat that I can make for them. So we went back through the archives of some of my old recipes, and we figured, okay, well, we'll try this. See if they'll eat them. Alright, you need a half cup of sugar. Why I grabbed that one, I don't know. Give me a second. Alright, we're back. Half cup softened sugar. Just like that. Half a cup. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That looks about right. And then we're just going to take our handy dandy little mixer that I hate, and we're going to combine all this. Woohoo! We are making a mess today. Now that we've got that mixed together, and we made a mess while doing it, we are going to add 1.5 cups of flour. Here's one. And a half. Whoops. Wrong measuring cup in there. Okay, that one goes in there. Alright. Now we're just going to kind of fold this flour in. Just so you get it somewhat incorporated. Doesn't have to be completely incorporated. Because we're going to take the mixer back to it to mix it the rest of the way in. flying everywhere. It's fabulous. All right, now we're just going to mix it up a little bit more with our spatula. We are going to add just a smidge of water, about 2 tablespoons, and we're going to mix it again with the mixer. Water to it. Alright. Once your flour is completely incorporated, which mine is, you will have a crumbly looking dough, which is what we have. Very crumbly looking. But when you pick it up and you form it, it forms a ball. That is what you're looking for. Very soft, very airy dough. And I really made a mess after my son was so nice to clean my kitchen for me today. I just made a mess all over it. Which is okay, because that's what Mom does. Mom makes messes. Alright. Once you got it completely combined like that, you're just going to take, there we go, and we are going to get a cookie tray. I have mine lined with a silicone baking mat. You do not have to use a silicone baking mat, but it does make it easier. You are going to get a teaspoon and you're just going to form little balls. You're going to put them in a cookie tray. These are a very buttery cookie. As I said, my family has not tried these yet, so I don't know if they'll even like them. We are using strawberry jam for the center of these. I had a jar that had a crack in it. So I figured, okay, well, I might as well use that up first. And all you're going to do is just roll these out into little balls. And you can put them close together. They're not going to spread a whole lot when you put them in the oven. So you don't have to worry about that. Some of mine are a little bigger than others. It's all good though. We do what we do. You want your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this cookie. You can coat these in sugar if you choose to. I am not going to. Just because I find that they are sweet enough as they are. And once you add the jam to them, they're going to be plenty sweet enough. That one was a little small, so I made it a little bigger. I'm only going to do 12 on this sheet. You can do more, but I don't like to overcrowd my cookies, so I'm only going to do 12. If I was using the bigger cookie tray that I have, I would probably do 16. But this is just a little baby tray, so we're just going to do little 12 cookies today. Okay, one more. This recipe makes approximately 24 cookies. You can double this. It does double very easily, very nicely. All right, once you got them all on your cookie tray, like that, you're just going to take your thumb and you're going to make a little indentation right in the center. You can also use a spoon or the back of a spoon to do this. You do not have to use your thumb. This is the way my grandma used to do it, so that's how I'm going to do it. My cookie is kind of cracking a little bit on this one, so we're going to just make it a little bit bigger to see if that helps it a little bit. Not to crack. Yep, there we go. Okay. I'm just going to press our thumb into them, just like that. And then we are going to pop these into the refrigerator to sit for 10 or so minutes, just so that it stiffens up a little bit before I put the jam in there. And we will see you when we take them out. Alright guys, these have chilled in my refrigerator for about 7 minutes or so. I have some strawberry jam, and all we're going to do is take a little bit of it and just put it in the center where you made that thumbprint. If you can get it off your spoon. Mine did not want to come off the spoon. There we go. Let me grab a rubber scraper. I'm just going to fill each one with your jam. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be pretty looking. We're just going to fill each one of these up. And as I said before, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this. And that's why I grabbed the rubber striper. My gram used to fill them with all kinds of jellies. She'd use raspberry, she'd use strawberry, grape, orange marmalade. I believe she even tried an apple butter one at one point. So you can use pretty much any jelly flavor you want for these. I put my leftover dough in the refrigerator just so it can stay firm until these are done. And then we'll get it back out and finish off the batch. I'm only using about a half a teaspoon of jam per cookie. Some might look like they have a little bit more. That's okay. Alright, these are going to go into your preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. You do not want to overbake them. So keep an eye on them after 18 minutes. You just want them kind of a golden brown color. So we'll get these popped in the oven and we will see you when they come out. Ta-ta for now. Hi everyone. These are coming out. They have been in for 19 minutes. This is what they're looking like. They kind of overflowed just a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to let them cool for just a couple of minutes because I think they're going to be too hot. I will see if I can get one off the tray, but oh no, they're actually, yeah, they're a little hot still. So, oh, there we go. That is what they look like. If you like this video, hit that there subscribe button. And give me a thumbs up in the comment section. And we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.